Logo Design Trends 2023, bringing the buzz back to logotype in 2023. As each field's trends for the next year begin to take shape, it is much simpler to grasp the whole picture now that the graphic design trends 2023 have become apparent. In light of this, today we'll focus on a subset of this issue and discuss the logo design trends 2023 that we anticipate based on the work of our team. Let's take in each development as usual with plenty of mind-blowing illustrations courtesy of the ingenuity of advertising firms and individual designers. In 2022, we were driven crazy by 3D logos, ink style, and word marks, but as graphic artists always seek to improve and differentiate their work, the tide has turned once again. Here's hoping it goes somewhere interesting and has some kind of resonance with current major graphic design trends. Top logo design trends in 2023 overview. 1. Tall logos. 2. Candy colors. 3. Outline logos. 4. Serif logos. 5. Starred lowercase. 6. Art Deco. 7. Neon vision and holographic logos. 8. Cartoon logos. 1. A logo that stands out. The traditional horizontal logo form has been broken with the return of narrow, vertical, tall logos. In the same way that a vertical business card helps you to be noticed for your bold and unique style, it also helps you to make an impression. This is a double-edged sword, though, since while certain customers and audiences may appreciate your uniqueness, others will not. The answer is found in how the brand is positioned. Let's take this into consideration by looking at some inspiring ideas and examples of tall logo modifications for various companies. The trend toward taller logos has a number of benefits, including the fact that they look fantastic in almost all forms of digital advertising and eliminate the need to design many variants of the same logo for use across various platforms. 2. Sweet hues. The appropriate color scheme may make quite an effect when your branding goal is to stand out and attract attention. One of the major developments in graphic design that will influence logos in the next year is flat design. Lovely logos, unconcerned with deviating from the typical corporate logo design, often have stunning bright candy-like hues. Here, we get to see how skilled designers from all around the internet give the current candy colors trend a powerful but approachable vibe in their original logo designs. These logos have a greater saturation in the HSV color model, implying brightness, optimism, and energy. The sweet color schemes aren't meant to calm you down, but rather to motivate and energize you. Like these exciting logo samples here. 3. Logo outline. Despite its continued growth and popularity, the outline style continues to gain ground alongside flat design trends. Outline logos, being light and understated, will not only not detract from your design, but will also serve to highlight its contemporary feel. The great legibility of these logos makes them perfect for use as watermarks, tiny icons, or even bullet symbols. Outline graphics are more versatile in terms of animation and aesthetics, and they work well with many different kinds of designs. 4. Serif logo. The logo argument between serif and sans serif typefaces has been going on for some time, and this development was widely expected. As a result of the general consensus that serif typefaces are antiquated, conservative, and stuffy, a few well-known companies have switched to more contemporary sans serif fonts in recent years. Another explanation is that sans serif fonts are easier to read on devices with varying screen sizes. Serifs, though, have closed the gap and become just as legible on the web. Nothing can stop designers from using them in stunning logos that echo the brand's values any longer. I propose we have a look at some classy serif logos that show how much of a presence serifs have established in the modern logo design landscape. Although traditionally associated with elegance, serif logos may also be sleek and simple. It's easy to give your brand new logos a modern, eye-catching look by choosing the proper font. 5. Lowercase logo. While it's not unprecedented for a company's logo to use just lowercase letters, as seen with Adidas, Bitcoin, Amazon, Facebook, Intel, Wacom, etc., there is a growing trend toward this style. Rather than being a grammatically correct word, the printed words in a logo should function as an image. There is aesthetic coherence between the all-lowercase font. Some logos can follow this trend because of complex letters, lowercase l versus capital I, or letters that are hard to kern. The word itself, as well as your font-based imagination, will determine the outcome. A logo with just lowercase letters is more accessible and casual than one with all capital letters, which suggests authority and power. However, in an effort to appear more approachable and human, many large corporations, including MasterCard, have switched to using only lowercase letters in their branding. 6. Art Deco. One more of 2022's most prominent graphic design tendencies may be seen in bold form in the logo trends. Art Deco, a style from a century ago, has re-emerged to usher in the Roaring Twenties with a bang, bringing with it the sophistication of the era of the machine and the sleek geometric modernity of the future. If you look closely enough, you may see echoes of the symmetry, geometry, and style of the Great Gatsby. When executed properly, a logo inspired by the Art Deco style may seem both timeless and cutting edge. We can appreciate how well Art Deco lends itself to logo design by looking at these excellent examples from talented graphic designers all across the internet. In the future years, we should expect to see a number of new logos that take inspiration from the Roaring Twenties and have gold accents. 7. Lights, camera, and holographic branding. The fashionable neon and holographic logos are striking with bright color gradients and work particularly well against dark backgrounds and futuristic designs. Neon is all about reviving the synthwave of the 80s and making it shine in the dark, whereas Art Deco is all about clean and beautiful geometry. 8. Logos with cartoon characters. We can confidently say that cartoon logos are not only still in demand, but also seeing a surge in popularity. With the addition of charming animations, cartoon mascots become dynamic and engaging logos for a wide range of industries and companies, not just those aiming to appeal to a younger demographic. Cartoon logos may be found in a wide variety of forms, including those that are 3D, detailed, flat, and outline. The variety of hues and enticingness of each is remarkable. Concluding remarks. The year 2023 is rapidly approaching, and with it comes the promise of dazzling neon from the 1980s, a return to the Roaring Twenties, and a whole lot of energy and vitality. There's no use in having rules if you're just going to ignore them. The outstanding works of graphic designers that defy the rules will undoubtedly lead us to exciting places, and we can't wait to get there.